Today I am helping you with the labels in Revit. The label is a very important thing in Revit. Basically, if you want to start a project in Revit, you must have to know about the label in Revit. Suppose I want to draw a 3D wall in Revit, it must be assigned a label like a wall base label and the top level. So if you want to know about labels, this video is just for you especially. So now I am helping you how to manage the label in Revit. Alright friends, let's jump to the video. So we are in 3D view now. So if you want to create labels, and you have to go elevations. So click elevations and see here we have three existing labels. So if you want to create another labels, so you have two options. So first you can copy the existing labels, that CC you can copy and rename it. So another option is go to architecture and here is data under labels or shortcut LL. So first of all you have to make sure your snap point, see here is the showing cross which is mean level finish. So first click here and second snap point is here. Okay, this is the newly created label 4. So let's check where is the label showing. This is the three type of plans: structural plans, floor plans, ceiling plans. First up check structural plans. This is showing level 4, and floor plans, this is also showing level 4, and also ceiling plans showing level 4. So if I want to show only floor plans, first click architecture and go to level and then make plan view types. Click here and select only floor plans, then OK. So if I draw the label, this is level 9. See my floor plan is showing level 9 and another type of plans does not showing the level 9. So if you want to draw a label without showing three types of plans, first create labels and make plan view is out of tick and then draw the label. See, this is the level 10 is showing black color and another one is showing blue color. So if I double click level 10 but doesn't happen anything, if I click blue color, double click, see just show a floor plans. So if I add the level 10 under the floor plans, how to add? First go to view and under the create plan views and click here and floor plan, select this and OK. So my level 10 is already added under the floor plans. If you want to delete a level from another plans or floor plans, then select these levels and you can delete from here. And another option to create a label, this is very useful. Select labels and pick lines, and then select offset dimensions and select pick lines. So this is very useful if you have labels like same distance or same height of labels. Just pick here and pick here. Alright, so now we will show label extensions. Label extensions is basically how far you want to show your floor plans. So how to set it? Select a label. See, this is the point. If you drag this, basically this is the change how far you showing your floor plans. You can easily drag here and here. If you want to only one floor, drag, just unlock it and then drag it, and again just set, then okay. If I want to set a section, click here. See, this is showing label lines, and if I drag both labels and then go to sections, see, here is no label line. So if I want to show section label line but elevations is I need like that, so go to 3D view. See, this is my 3D level plane. So if I go to elevations and drag this, so if you want to show the label line like short directions, you can set it. Just click here and you can set it 2D and then 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 2D. Okay, if I change the 2D, see, the peak point is like a dot, so you can drag this, and if I select this, see, my 3D plane already have. So if I change this 2D line, then 3D also have, this is the showing 3D dots. So now if I go to section line, so see, my label plan is showing, but elevation is showing short of label line. Okay, if you don't want to use 2D line, then you can reset it easily. Select all labels and then click here and reset to 3D extensions. Okay guys, now I am showing the another important things, like if you have another building or another elements from this building is very so far, so how to set the label lines? You can set it easily by value. So first go to where see like and draw a wall and go to elevations. See, this is my new element and this is my level finish line and this is the buildings. So how to set the level lines like this object? So first click here and maximize 3D extents. Okay, and this click on and right click maximize object, or you can drag it. This is very quicker solutions. So guys, now I am showing the special things like how to change the label bubble. So if you work in CAD, this bubble you can change easily in CAD. So Revit also has some sense like this label bubbles, and if you select these labels and create here, it means no bubble, and just click tick and this bubble showing again. And if I want to change like this design of bubble, so how to change it? Just go to edit type and symbols and you can choose from here. Here is showing now only one. So how to load it? And go to insert menu, load family and English, then click annotations and select this is the level head and then open it and then select and go to here and then click here. See, this is a triangles, then okay. See, this is the already sense, and actually I want another one, angle sports. Okay, okay, if you drag here and this is like overlap the two labels and you can drag, you can add elbow and you can easily change. Okay friends, if you think you learn from this video something new in Revit, please subscribe my channel and keep watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video.